Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Duolingo application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So Duolingo is a very popular language learning application that offers a wide selection of languages to learn, and I already have a Spanish course running, but you can select a language if you click on this flag at the top of the page on the left, and then click on the course button. And here you will find all the languages that you can learn through this application, which is a lot, as you can see. The basic concept of the application is that it's divided into sections and units, and there are different units like basics, get around in a city, food and drink, and it will help you to practice and learn new words, phrases, and it's also very helpful with pronunciation, and it's a very fun way to learn a new language. Other than that, at the bottom of the page there are different buttons like reviews or quests that you can do for extra points. In the profile section you can set a number of different things. In the general section you can try to manage notifications and privacy, and you can also check your achievements in the personal section. So overall it's a very useful and within that very fun way to learn the language. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.